Fire retardants are substances that are used in materials to slow down or reduce the spread of fire. As you may see shown in this plastic container, which doesn't have any retardant, it happily starts to burn by itself. Here in the video, we show you that all our enclosures and electrical components have a flame retardant mixed into them. These retardants are classed as V0 retardants, which means in a vertical burn, the burning stops within 10 seconds and the drips of particles are allowed as long as they are not inflamed. You can see even on an edge that is only 2.5 mm thick, the material just carbonizes and does not propagate the flame even when using a high heat source. You can also see that we are burning a variety of materials, PC, PBT material, and also glass-filled nylon. These are all V0 rated. From this video, you know that electric control products enclosures and electrical components pass this test easily. Thank you for watching.